Hello all. Today we will make Domino's or Pizza Hut style pizza at home from the scratch. Yes, from the base to the pizza sauce and add all our favorite toppings. So to begin with, let's prepare the dough by adding 1.5 cups of plain flour to a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon instant yeast. Add 1 teaspoon sugar and half a teaspoon salt. Give it a nice mix. Now add lukewarm water gradually. For 1.5 cups of flour, I added 3/4 cup of water. Now mix them and bring it all together. I'm using instant yeast in this recipe. If you're using active dry yeast, ferment it first in lukewarm water for 15 minutes and then add it to prepare the dough. Make sure you use lukewarm water here so that the yeast ferment perfectly. If the water is cold, the yeast will not activate well. Again, if the water is too hot, the yeast will die off. Now mix them and bring it all together. Add 2 teaspoon oil to it, preferably olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, you can use sunflower oil or any vegetable oil. Now start kneading. Knead until the dough is non-sticky and becomes nice and soft. Sprinkle some flour on a board and knead them well in this manner. Knead for a good 5 to 6 minutes. Knead by folding the dough towards you and then extending it out with the end of your palms. Kneading the dough this way will ensure you to get a perfect pizza base. Start flattening them with your hands to form a circular shape. You don't need to use a rolling pin. Just use your hand itself to spread them. I have lined my pizza tray with parchment paper. Spread your pizza dough on it in a correct shape. Do not worry if your pizza surface is not smooth since it will be covered with the toppings anyway. Now cover it with a cling film, leaving enough space for the dough to rise. And let it rest for 45 minutes in a warm place. Let's prepare the pizza sauce when the dough is resting. Cook 5 tomatoes and peel off the skin. I have sliced half onions and 2 garlic pieces. Grind the tomatoes and garlic in a grinder or food processor to get a smooth paste. Heat up 2 teaspoons of olive oil in a pan and brown the onions in it. Just as the onions are slightly brown, add in the tomato paste. We need to reduce the sauce so that it becomes a bit thick. Add half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon chili powder. Add 3/4 teaspoon of oregano to it. Reduce the mixture. Now add half teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon red wine vinegar to it. You can add any vinegar. The sauce is nice and reduced now. Let's remove it from the flame and let it cool. For the toppings, I have taken olives, mushrooms, yellow bell pepper and red bell pepper. You can choose any toppings you like. Our dough has risen well after 45 minutes. Let's spread the pizza sauce first. I've also taken few pieces of boneless chicken fried with pepper and salt here. Add all the toppings. Pizza toppings can be changed according to your choice. You can use meat, green peppers, onion, anything you prefer. I've taken 3/4 cup grated mozzarella cheese here. Let's cover the pizza with cheese. I've already preheated my oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Bake it for 20 to 25 minutes and our Italian pizza is ready here. The base is soft but thick and the cheese toppings are really nice and creamy, and I should tell you this is a must-try recipe. Do try this wonderful recipe and let me know your comments in the comment box. So until we meet again, bye, take care.